Want to protect your hands and your wrist, but still give deep pressure? Your forearms might be the answer. Um, but it's all in how you use them. My name's Beth, and I'm the founder of Cantado Wellness, and it's Technique Tuesday. So let's get started. So, when you're using your forearms, I want you to think about what part of your body you're using. We don't want to use the shaft of our ulna, and we don't really want to use our elbow unless we've got a specific deep point that we want to go to. So, it's all in your flexors and sort of the belly of these muscles. Now, as we're working, we're going to use that. We're going to also make sure that our hand stays relaxed. Here's what I see a lot of massage therapists doing. As they're doing forearm work, they're balled up like this and they're all twisted and they're grunting and they're putting in as much pressure and effort as they can. And you know what that's doing? Not helping your hands or your wrists. So it's a time to be able to relax your hands and your wrists and not use them as much. And so that means you got to relax them. You got to let that go. Okay. So as you're using your forearms, we're going to relax our fingers, relax our hand, and relax our wrist. Now, the other cool forearm trick I want to show you is that if you're in prone position, your palm is facing down, you'll continue to move. But if you want a parking brake, just roll to supine. Then you're not going to move any further. You're holding, and you can put pressure into an area and do a stretch. So I want you to give these a try, and I want you to think about keeping your wrist and your fingers loose as you're working, and then check back with me and let me know how it works for you. I hope you have a great day and you give your hands a little bit of a rest.